Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Ingredients. Today let's cook Osaka Style Okonomiyaki. As usual, let's harvest some fresh ingredients. Few of my friends request me to make video tutorial of how to grow green onions in Jakarta, and I'm still working on it. So when the video is ready, I'll post the link on the description below. Now for the batter, I'm using 1 egg and add about 5 to 8 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and pour about 50 ml of water. Actually, I never measure the water when cooking okonomiyaki. Usually I add flour and water until it's thick like this. If it is too thick, add more water. If it is too light, add more flour, just like that. And season it with a pinch of salt and about half teaspoon of Japanese soy sauce. And let the batter rest while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. This is nori, a Japanese style dried seaweed. There is also another version of seaweed, we call it wakame, but that version is for soup. Usually supermarkets sell nori in a big sheets like this, or a pre-cut version, or a powder version. If we bought a big sheet like this and use it, the leftovers will be soft like a tissue and not dried. Here's a little trick, we can toast it on a direct fire to make it dry again. After that, we can cut it into small pieces for garnish in the end. For the cabbage, I highly recommend to slice it with a slicer like this. We actually can use a knife, but using slicer will be much faster and the result will be in the same size. I think that's enough cabbage, and then we wash it cleanly and dry it using a salad spinner. If we don't have salad spinner like this, we can dry it manually using a strainer. But make sure the batter is more thicker than usual, otherwise when we mix the cabbage and the batter, it will be not thick enough. Green onions, slice it in small pieces like this. We can mix the green onion with the batter or use it for garnish in the end, but personally I prefer to mix it with batter. For the protein, usually in Japan they use sliced pork or sliced beef, but today I want to use chicken thigh and cut them into small pieces like this. And why not add some bacon? This is a store-bought bacon, but if you want to learn how to make bacon from scratch, I already made a video tutorial on how to cure and smoke bacon. You can go check it out, I put the link on the description below. Pour cooking oil into a pan. When you start to smoke, add the chicken and the bacon. While we wait for the chicken and the bacon, let's mix the batter. First, add the green onion, and then the cabbage, and mix it evenly. I think the chicken and the bacon are cooked, then we're ready to add the batter mixture. And yes, I'm really sorry the camera is out of focus. Pour all the batter mixture and try to shape it into a circle. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Before we flip it, make sure the bottom side is nicely seared, otherwise it will break when we flip it. Here goes nothing! Thank God it didn't break, and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you can't flip it like this, you can use a plate and flip it manually. We can pour the sauce when the okonomiyaki is on the plate, but I prefer to do it while cooking like this, so all the sauce will be cooked too and produce a delicious smoked flavor. I'm using okonomiyaki sauce. We can find it at the supermarket. Just look for okonomiyaki or takoyaki or tonkatsu sauce because it all tastes similar. And of course, Japanese mayonnaise. Please don't change it into another mayonnaise because there is no other mayo that can beat Japanese mayonnaise. Katsuobushi, add as many as you want, and it's ready to be served. Put it into a plate and add that sliced nori. This is a big okonomiyaki, so I'm gonna cut it into 4 pieces and serve it in a small plate like this. And why not add more mayonnaise? And the taste? Well, I don't know how to describe it, but it is amazing. Much better than any okonomiyaki in any Japanese restaurant in Jakarta. And finally, thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. By the way, I also made other cooking videos and urban farming videos. If you're interested, you can go check it out or follow my Instagram account to stay updated about my channel. Thank you very much guys, and I see you next time.